How to retrieve the data in the form of collection classes? We can retrieve the data in the form of collection classes by using the below mentioned ways. Mm, there is a not a three ways. There have many ways to retrieve the data from the collection classes. By using a for loop, by using a for each loop, and by using a iterator interface, by using a list iterator interface, and the enumeration interface. We can retrieve the data in the form of collection framework, and mm, by using a loop, we know how can we use a loop, and how can we use a for loop. So we need to see only iterator interface, list iterator interface, and enumeration interface. Iterator interface retrieve in forward direction. This supports three methods. Iterator interface supports the three methods, and it retrieve in the forward direction. It retrieve the data in the forward direction only, and list iterator interface retrieve the data in forward and backward direction, in both direction. And mainly, what is the difference between iterator and list iterator? Iterator will retrieve the data in one direction only, and list iterator retrieve the data in two directions, forward and backward. We can say like that. And enumeration interface used to retrieve the data in legacy classes. And iterator interface retrieve data in forward direction only one direction, and these have only three methods, and list iterator have a five methods. The main difference is that this have a three method and this have a five method list iterator. Enumeration is only using for legacy classes that is from JDK 1.0 to now. That classes like vector is a legacy classes, and a collection object can store a group of other objects. And a collection object has, what is a collection object? Collection object can store a group of other objects. Collection object has a class known as a container class. All Java container classes present in java.util package, and a group of collection classes is called collection framework. And in general, collection framework consists of three parts: algorithm, its content, and the interface, and the implementation. Retrieving element from collection. We already see like using loops we can iterate the elements, and by using iterator, what is the difference between list iterator and iterator? Iterator have three methods, list iterator have five methods. Iterator can iterate in one direction only, but list iterator can iterate in two directions, forward direction and backward direction. And enumeration interface, that is only using for legacy classes. So here we will see more description. Iterator is an interface that contain a method to retrieve the element one by one from collection. It will only retrieve the data one by one from collection object. It retrieve element only a forward direction. It have three methods. What is this three methods here? Um, has next, and next, and remove. So has next return true if the iterator has more elements. Next, the next element return true, it will return true next element in the iterator. If iterator have more element, then it will return true, otherwise it will return not true, I mean false. And return true next element in the iterator. And remove the last element from the collection, returned by the iterator. List iterator. What is a list iterator? List iterator is an interface that contains a method to retrieve the elements from a collection object, both forward and backward direction. We can retrieve the element in forward and backward direction in list iterator. And this have also some methods like type methods and has next return true if the list iterator has more element when the traversing a list in forward direction, when the traversing the list in forward direction, and has previous means here return true if a list iterator has more element when traversing a list in reverse direction. um, and element next here is return a next element. It will return a same like iterator. It also has same methods. And this one is remove method remove the uh, uh, remove the list last element. uh, this one have also remove method. This one also have only extra method is here has previous and element previous. Return the previous element in the list, that is has previous. And enumeration interface, the enumeration interface is useful to retrieve element one by one like iterator. This one is also iterating one by one element. And boolean has more element. This method enumeration has more elements. And it will return true if there have more elements, then it will return true. And element has the next element, this return true next element that is a level in enumerations. Okay, that's it. Three types of iterator have done.